Introduction, derivation and semantics. So now let's see that how derivations or derivational affixes have meanings. So in the March issue of Bucharest, it was so: the lift is being fixed for the next day. During the time we regret that you will be unbearable. You won't be tolerated. So if you look at the second, that seems very odd, unbearable. Obviously, keeping the word lift in the first sentence, we can form the meaning that it may be that you won't be carried, right? But generally, whenever we listen to this word unbearable, what comes to the mind is intolerable. So why is this sign so funny? That is the question. First of all, unbearable already exists in English with the same meaning, difficult to tolerate, and this is the meaning we first think of when we read the sign. But it's not the story, as I just told you. If we replace unbearable with the similar but unambiguous word like transportable, the sentence is no longer humorous but still sound less native, because this is no good English, right? It's because words like unbearable, untransportable and uneatable describe inherent quality of people or things, qualities that don't change simply because of elevator is out of order. So this is a very important aspect of semantics, that we have to look that at meaning in terms of the qualities that it refers to. So whenever we use a word, whether it is used with its full qualities or not. To take another example, the fact that someone is allergic to chocolate doesn't make that chocolate is uneatable. The chocolate remains eatable, maybe for that person at a certain time, but not the chocolate does not become uneatable. So because the chocolate has the quality to be eaten. In this simple sign, there is a complex interaction between affixation and semantics going on, and this is the sort of thing we are going to discuss in this chapter of derivation and semantics. So we begin by introducing a fundamental problem in lexical semantics, the study of word meaning. The meaning of individual lexemes can be highly diverse. When we look at the lexemes and their meanings, so sometimes we find that the meaning attributed to single lexemes are multiple, so different, diverse. When then we then examine in some detail the semantics of derived lexeme to see what generalization we can draw. So let's look at some derived lexemes and see that how they give us meaning and what type of diverse meaning we can have or what they give.